Hello everyone, here is Rashid Khan, your science teacher from LPM Public School, Golabazar, and class 7. Here we have to go to the chapter number, next it is 7, chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. So before moving to this, we know that there are the different seasons we have to face, and according to the seasons we have to wear the different type of clothes, and there are the different climatic conditions, different weather conditions are there we have to suffer from, as in case of winter, summer, as well as in case of rain. So we have phases, or we had already faces most of the conditions. So these all conditions we have to discuss in a better way. So first of all, before moving to the next one, we have to discuss on what is the weather. What do you mean by the weather? If we are talking about the weather, then we must think about how the weather is formed. What are the causes of forming of a weather? What are the elements? What are the factors? So first of all, weather is what actually? Weather is the day-to-day condition of atmosphere in a particular region. It is what? Day-to-day atmospheric conditions, or condition of atmosphere. We say day-to-day condition of day-to-day conditions of atmosphere of a particular area or a particular region. So for a particular region or for a particular area, might be their atmosphere changes. Why? Due to having different temperatures, humidity, as well as rainfalls. So, the factor that can causes very much about that the weather, or the weather can causes, or weather can changes by the factor. So these factors are wind speeds, temperature, humidity, rainfalls. So all these factors are responsible for changing or modification in the weather, or we can say for changing of a atmosphere of a particular place. If the atmosphere changes, so automatically the weather change. So here we can say the different type of factors. These factors, as I earlier told you about, the temperature, humidity, rainfalls, and the temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. So all these factors can impact to their atmosphere. So it is also called as elements of weather, or elements of weather are factors of weather, due to which the weather can change. In different regions, there are the different weather due to having these factors. Now we can say whether can vary over short period of a time and even hour to hours. That means it can changes for might be some days or might be changes within a hours too. So due to what? Due to their factors, that is a humidity, temperature. So again and again I have told you about the humidity. What does it mean, the humidity? Humidity is what actually? Humidity, we can define, it is the amount of water. Humidity is the amount of water in the form of vapors present form of water present, water vapors present in the area. So we can say this is the humidity is the amount of water in the form of vapors present in the area or present in the atmosphere. Present in the atmosphere. So the vapors means what? It is the form of a water which is present in vapor. So we can say amount of water vapors present in atmosphere. So it makes here is amount of water is more and more. So if there is amount of water more and more, how we can say that there is a fixed amount? For measuring the amount of water, here we have an instrument or a tool called hygrometer. By measuring the amount of water vapor present in our atmosphere, this one is called a tool called as a hygrometer. This tells us about the actual amount of water present in a particular place. If the amount of water in a particular atmosphere is higher, if it is higher at a place, there is a most rainfall happens. And if the amount of water is less, that is lower, so rarely rainfall happens. Due to lack of water vapor present in a particular atmosphere. So there is a lack of water. As you know that in case of Rajasthan or in case of a desert region, there is a very scarcely or rarely the rain happens. But near to the sea, you can say in case of Maharashtra or wherever the sea is present, so there is a heavy rainfall. for measuring this one, the amount of water, amount of rainfalls happen. What we have? We have a gauge or an instrument called as a rain gauge. For measuring how much rains in a particular region, we have to use tools, or we can say measuring operators called as a rain gauge. What it is actually? Rain gauge, through which we can measure how much the rain happens in a particular region. So we can say the rain gauge is the measuring tools by which we can measure the amount of rains happen in a particular atmosphere. Amount of rainfall may be certain in 24 hours. How much rains happen in 24 hours? How it can be measured? It can be measured by rain gauge. So structure of rain gauge is what you can say. There is a stand on which a vessel is kept inside, and due to which this may be kept this like this. There is a mark over the vessels as we taken in this 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Measurement, and it is open when the rains happen. It fills up. Wherever it fills up, that tells us about the amount of water happen in a particular area within 24 hours. Like this we can measure the amount of water or amount of rainfalls. Now, next one is what causes weather changes. What causes weather changes? What are the different causes by which the weather change? Sun is the most important factor. Sun is the most important factor, causes all the weather changes. Right? Causes all the weather changes. We can see it is a master through which the weather changes takes place. Here we know that the energy of the sun absorbed by the earth are reflected by the water bodies. The earth's surface and atmosphere play an important role. Earth's surface and atmosphere. Here the most important fact is the sun, which can changes all the seasons, all the weathers, but the other, that is the earth surface and the atmosphere of a particular place, actually tells us about how the weather can change. The determination of this, here we have to measure the temperature of a particular place at the time of morning and at the time of noon. How much temperature raised from a morning to the noon. This one is measured. Why? Because when there is sun rays, before the sun rays, the temperature of the day is what? It is lowest temperature. And the temperature of a place at the noon, this is the highest temperature. So this one is called highest temperature at noon. So these two measures tells us about that the minimum and maximum temperature of the day. These two temperature tells us about the minimum and maximum temperature of the day. How they can be measured? They can be measured by using our tools. This is called as the maximum minimum temperature. That reads about the temperature of morning and as well about the temperature of noon, and exactly tells us about the temperature of this particular place, and due to which we can define or we can determine the weather conditions. The minimum and maximum temperature through which the atmosphere changes. And if the atmosphere changes, the weather changes. And the weather changes the season. This season may be winter, summer and rain. So, this is the most factor by which weather can change. That is what? Temperature, earth surface and atmosphere. This could make a change of weather. Next one is maximum and minimum temperature keep on changing the length of the day. This one also play important for changing the length of a day. If the day having 18 hours, might be changes in the temperature, it get lower, 16 hours. So there is a determination as maximum minimum temperature by which we can know that. And the length of the day also varies in summer and winter due to the changes in the time of a sunset and sunrise. Sunset and sunrise की वजह से क्या होता है, हम जान सकते हैं कि पर्टिकुलर प्लेस का क्या हो रहा है, लॉन्ग डे कितना है, हाउ मच लॉन्ग द डे इज, हाउ मच द शॉर्ट the night is. So due to the tilt of the earth, the changing of sunset and sunrise, and due to the changing tilting of earth toward the sun on its axis, the length of the days will vary with seasons. बहुत सारे सीजन में क्या क्या होते हैं, अलग अलग सीजन हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू दीज